Hey guys, Kim from STEDI here. Just going to give you a quick overview of our C4 dual lens with the white and amber light function. So out of the box, you are presented with our C4 dual lens here. Because the light is a dual function light with a white and amber mode, there is 2 plugs for each individual light function. So one will function white and one will function amber. If you have an existing harness already in the vehicle, you can simply just unplug one and plug your harness DT into there, and you'll retain function of one of the light functions. On the other hand, you can also wire up a harness that has a dual position switch, allowing you to have an on-off-on function and function all via one harness and one switch. So there we have it, just a quick overview of our C4 dual lens. If you have any other questions, contact our customer support team. For more information on our products, head over to our website and be sure to follow us on all our socials.